Beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vans Tarot, and this is what is coming next for you in this week for the week of 5th to the 11th of October. Yes, this is a charms reading, friends. So make sure to subscribe Magic Vans Tarot and click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Also, friends, if you have already subscribed, many angel blessings to you, friends. This is a general reading, friends. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading, even though it is for this week, but you can watch it anytime. It will still resonate and help you out in your situation. So join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com, friends. So let's take a deep breath. Take a deep breath, relax, and choose option number 1, this beautiful tractor. Option number 2, this beautiful pink scooter. Option number 3, this beautiful train. I know you are missing traveling, some of you. So relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section so you can directly skip there and choose the number you have chosen. You can also choose watch the entire video, friends. It's up to you. If you feel drawn to, make sure to watch the entire video. Let's see, for those who chose option number 1, this beautiful tractor, what will happen in this week for you. I will also be pulling the charms at the end of the reading. This is your advice. This is your extra oracle messages. Let's see. Wow, 6 of Wands. Congratulations. The 7 of Pentacles, the Hermit, the Page of Wands, the Sun, and the 4 of Swords. Oh my God, this is a powerful week for you, friends. Yes, 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 and a very, very happy week for you. Congratulations. Why? Because you will feel very excited this week. You will also feel very passionate, especially regarding your work, your career, or something, you will feel very passionate about something in your life. I also feel right now you are feeling a little dull. You're feeling like, oh, life is too boring at the moment. But no, friends, this week is going to change something for you. I do see some money coming your way. Absolutely, for sure, money is coming your way. Some of you are waiting for money. It will come your way, friends. Yes, this extra money. Or if you are waiting for news related to money or career or exams, yes, it will be in your favor. Whatever you are waiting for this week, your wait will be positively rewarded. You will succeed in whatever you are waiting for. I see some of you are waiting for money. Some of you are waiting for that exam result to clear. Yes, you will be through with excellent, excellent, I see, result. I also see that some of you, something will happen which will make you very positive this week. I don't know. Maybe someone will compliment you, or maybe you will read something on the social media or some book. Something will make you feel very positive this week, and it is good for you because you need it and it will make you feel happy. I also feel that you could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus this week, or an Aries, Leo, Sag person this week. Yes, there is a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or an Aries, Leo, Sag person who will make a move towards you. I see this person has been in no contact with you. They had been waiting, taking their time in this connection. But this week, I see they might propose, they might make a move towards you, send you a message, or there is some excitement going to come in this relationship. If your relationships are really getting boring right now, you can expect some passion, some excitement, some extra sexual chemistry to happen this week. Yes. I also feel, friends, people from social media are going to comment or compliment or like you and appreciate you in some way, and it is going to boost your confidence. You'll feel very happy. I also feel that there is someone who is watching you, this Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or an Aries, Leo, Sag person. They are keeping an eye on you, especially in your love life. This person is waiting for the right time in this week. Some of you may have already got a message from this person, but for others, this week this person will message you. It will excite you, it will boost your ego. They might say sorry, or this person has done you something wrong, and they might face that. So you will be like, yeah, it's not a good thing to say, but yeah, like, you thought they will never miss you, but they will. You thought they will never call you, but they will. You thought they will never say sorry, but they will. So you will be like, oh my god, OMG. So yeah, congratulations. I do see success also coming your way. You know, success in work, in love life, and also you moving towards success. You don't want to think about anything else this week, your love, your work. You want to be, you're very future oriented this week. You don't want to think about anything of the past. I also feel some of you could be spending more time on the social media. You could be starting some online work, or if you are already working there, you will be getting more successful there on social media, online work. I do see that some of you will keep your future plans to yourself, or you should keep your plans, especially regarding money, to yourself, because Mercury will be quickly moving after this week into retrograde. So you should keep your money plans or your future plans to yourself, because I do see some competition there. I see you winning, friends. I see you are winning this week, and absolutely, I do see health issues will resolve. In fact, you won't even want to sit down and have a nap or afternoon sleep or something. No, you want to just go out in the sun, have a party, even if you are alone. You just don't care. You want to break free. The song for you this week is I Wanna Break Free. That song, I want to break free. Yeah, that song I'm getting it for you. A leg up, number 34. Yes, you are moving ahead absolutely in this week, and in your vision, in your mind, in your work, in your love life, in your finances, you are moving ahead. I see some I see some of you spending a lot of time in social media, but whatever time you will spend, yeah, like watching some movies or something, or maybe you are watching our channel, it will help you feel positive. Usually, it is like when you binge watch something, it helps you, it kind of makes you anxious or maybe unhappy. But this week, whatever you will watch, it will help you, it will boost you, it will actually improve your life. I also see some of you getting back to your physical fitness or yoga or dancing, so it will really keep you happy. Flexibility, ooh, see, I was talking about that only. So, yes, friends, some of you could be 19 years old or in your late 20s, or, yeah, early 20s, or 19 could be important, 19, 23, 34, 35. Yes, stay flexible. This is a very positive week for you. Don't keep your ideas or notions fixed. Things are going to move for you. New things are going to come. Things which you can't see yet are coming for you. And let's see your advice. Yes, your intuition is correct. Take action accordingly. Yes, friends, your intuition is super strong this week, so you should act on it. You should listen to it, and you should trust. Also, if you are waiting for something and your question is, will your wait be over this week? Yes. Will you get positive result? Yes. Will you get success? Yes. Will you get that aha moment? Yes. Oh my god, let's see your chance. This is a great week. I also feel if you are married, some of you will be enjoying your time with a baby. Maybe it is a friend or someone in the family's baby, or some of you could be planning for family expansion. So, yeah, lots of things happening there. So, for pile number one, how this week will be for pile number one? What's coming next? All right. See, you got the crown. I saw that first. Let's just, oh wow, you are the king. You are the crowned prince or the king or the queen this week. You have a lot of letters also. Let's see, let's see. See, I see wedding. So some of you could be planning for a wedding, or someone in the family or your friends are getting married, or you are just dressing up, because you want to this week to feel happy or to feel excited, or you have bought a new dress, you want to try it, and Neil could be the name, or lean also. Lean, someone very thin. Although this is lean, but I do see someone very thin. Or so some of you could be working on your health and fitness. So the alphabets are W E D double G L double E N and P. New is also there. So yeah, you want new things. You want new things. You want to break free because you want new. uh, Lee could be the name for some of you, or D, or I don't know what words can you make out of this. Dew, something very romantic. Dew is like soft, fresh movements, romantic movements. I don't know, I can't make any more words. You let me know if you can make more words out of here. And you have the doctor's this health chart. Yes, some of you are working on your health, and in fact I see some of you will be spending some time out in the sun, getting some exercise, or just going out having good times with friends. You will be very excited. Absolutely. Your numbers are number 37. I did say number 34 here. There is number 555, number 55. There is number 17. So yeah, if you are very young, I do said here also number 19. So if you are very young, get excited, get moving. It's your time. It's your week. Even if you are not very young and your 17 is your birth date or something, it's important for you. 17th of this month. You have this blue bead. It is about intuition. It is about following your mind, listening to your mind. And you have chosen the tractor. I see that you are building. Tractors, they use on fields to build and grow crops, to toil the land and grow crops. So yes, you are going to build something, or if you are already building something, you will be successful. You will be crowned. Success is coming your way. Look at this. Success is coming your way. Some victory is coming your way. This is a destined victory for you, friends. Yes. And what else? Let's see. I don't know what's wrong with the... You also have the penny. So money is coming your way, friends. Yes, money is coming your way. What you are waiting for, it is going to happen. Success at work and money. The umbrella. Also, this sometimes looks to me like a sword. But I feel someone wants to protect you. Maybe this person is from London, USA, UK. Because someone wants to win you also and protect you, in an innocent and beautiful kind of way. There is teacup, yes. There will be meetings, there will be conversations, there will be happy dates or friendships, or meetings with friends happening. Flower. I do see someone is going to compliment you. I also see some of you could be planting some flowers. Maybe it's in a pot at your home. Wheel of Fortune. Yes, things are moving forward for you, friends. Yes, and again there is this rose. You are very connected. You are very happy this week. And Venus is also there. Yeah, you spend some time focusing on your health. Self-love is the theme also for you. Focus on your love, self-love. Because someone likes you, friends. Someone wants you back, or there are people who like you, who are inspired by you. So the more positive or happy you stay, they will also be more happy and positive. 7 of Wands. You are actually, this is like the energy of defensiveness. Someone was defensive against you in a connection. That person wants to come back. 9 of Wands. Yeah, there is a connection which is almost ready for a new start. and it is going to happen. Some of you, if you are single, this is a new connection coming for you, a new love relationship. It may happen now or in the coming few weeks, because the energy is shifting now. So that's why I'm saying, some of you are like, why this hasn't happened when you said like this? Friends, I'm talking about energies here. So the energy is already there. This Ace of Cups is here, this Nine of Wands. Someone was defensive, someone was fighting this connection. They want to come back, they want to offer friendship, they want to declare their love, shout from the rooftop, they love you. This could be a new person or someone you already know. Congratulations, Pile 1. That's it for now. Subscribe Magic Vens Tarot, like and share. Let me know if this reading resonated. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. Join us on Insta as Magic Vens Tarot. Bye for now. Friends, for those who chose option number 2, this beautiful scooter, let's see what is in store for you. Your charms, I will be pulling the charms at the end of this reading. Here is the advice for you. These are your oracle cards. Let's see what's coming next for you. The Magician, the Chariot, ooh, the Devil, wow. Three of Cups, Three of Swords, the Eight of Wands, and the Five of Swords. Oh my God, friends, this is an amazing week for you. Congratulations. And I know the weeks have been so boring for all of us now. I know you are all getting frustrated, but friends, this week is amazing and quite a relief and quite a change week from the past weeks. Why? Because this week you are going to manifest something, or you are working on your manifestations. There's something that you need or desire, and you will be able to achieve it this week. I also see whatever you are praying for, it is going to come true for you. Yes, your prayers, your dreams, your wishes will be answered this week. I also feel this week you will be having more dreams or future plans. So get ready, get to work, make your bucket list, make your goal list, or make your dream list. Yes, this is the week for that. I also see, friends, that some of you are, this week is very fast. It will go by like this. Before you even realize it, you will be bored, or what? This week will be over, because, this is a very quick and a fast week for you. Fast paced, quick paced, a lot happening. Work will keep you busy. You will be traveling, or even if you are not working, travel is important. I see you going here and there, even in your house, and even managing things, doing this, doing that. It's a busy week for you. Absolutely, get to work. Get ready, because this is that week where travel is happening. You will travel for work, and not just for work, but also for meeting friends and family. Someone is also traveling towards you. I see some celebrations. Maybe some of you are having your birthdays, or someone in the family, your friends have a birthday. So yes, it is a good time, good week for you, celebrations. I also feel that someone has hurt you, friends. Someone has I don't know what to say. Someone has broken your trust in the past. This person has broken your trust. They have blocked you and they have hurted you, but they can't forget you. I don't know why, but this person is intoxicated with you this week, and they just can't forget you. They want you, and they will call you for some intimacy, for conversations, for emotional sharing. They need your love. They want you. They are dying. They are yearning for you. This person could be someone who has hurted you, blocked you, and ghosted you in the past, or this could be someone from the social media who likes you, and they really want to know you better, and this person just can't forget you, or they can't. This person is obsessed with you. They are yearning for your touch, your love, to talk to you, communicate with you. And I see this is a sexual week for you. I mean, your passions are high. Some of you could be releasing your frustrations like this, indulging in some physical contact, physical intimacy. It's a good way, yeah, if you are open for that. For others of you, I do feel, this person will communicate with you. There will be a lot of communications in love and relationships, yes. no matter you are single or you are in a relationship or waiting for someone, communications will be a lot happening this week. A lot of people want to know you, a lot of people have a desire for you, they want to they are yearning for you, they are very attracted towards you, they will talk to you, they want you. Maybe this is a person who has put you in a third party, but they will come back again and try to explain things out with you. I also see some of you very active on Tinder or other sites of dating, because if you are single, you just can't take it anymore. You want to mingle, or you just want that cuddly, romantic all night talk or something. So this I do see, friends, that you need to be careful, because if you are, someone from your past could be coming back because they just can't get over you. They may still be attached to someone else or to their past obsessions, but they just can't forget you and they want you back. You have to be careful, because sexual passions are high, friends. So if you don't want a one night stand or anything like that, be careful. There's a song also, I keep getting that song. Which song is it? Darling, yeah, it's a Sam Smith song, Stay With Me, because there's a line in that song, I'm not good at a one night stand. So, darling, can you stay with me? So, this person, either you want somebody extremely badly, or or someone else wants you extremely badly this week. You may be crushing over someone, or someone is crushing over you. I do feel this person has broken your heart, or someone has broken your heart. They are coming back and they want your apology. You can't forget this person. You can't forget them, neither can they. And the chemistry is who super high. Breathe. That is what I exactly did right now. Breathe, because the energy was too much. Seriously, breathe. Take some time to breathe and relax. This is a very fast week for you, friends. A lot is happening. You are manifesting in your work, your career. You are moving forward in your life, and in love, you are passionate, you are sexy. I also see some of you getting fit and working. Some of you are working on your abs or your body, getting a tattoo this week, or maybe if not a tattoo, you will just doodle on your skin, because you're obsessed with your skin. I know you are even obsessed with my hands and everything. I know that. Some of you are. TikTok, yes. I think the only problem you will face this week is like, oh my God, why is this such a quick week? You want some more time, you want a little more time to do everything. You have a lot of plans, so you need a lot of time, but time is fast this week for you. And I do see some of you are, some celebrity is going to message you. Someone is going to message you and they are your crush. And I do feel someone from your past is going to message you. They will talk, they will try to entice you, seduce you. But you will say, oh, why now? Why now after all this time? But go listen to that song, Sam Smith, Stay With Me. Breathe, friends, relax. It's your week for relaxing and enjoying, because you have everything going. Let's see your advice. Self-employment, you are a born entrepreneur and your business is surrounded by magical opportunities. Yes, yes, yes. Some of you will be moving into self-employment, into business. Some of you are trying to manifest more clients, or more, if you are into a job, you are trying to manifest or learn something new which you can do as a business or work online. I see you learning and earning also. So some of you could be learning a subject and teaching it and earning from it. And if you have recently started a business or something, yes, you will be successful. Work on your ideas, manifest. Let's see your chance. Too much of talking I do, isn't it, friends? For pile number 2 this week. Oh, lots of charms came out. Oh, you have the guitar charm. Some of you could be learning music, some of you could be obsessed with BTS or some musician. You have a crush on a singer or some social, some celebrity, or some celebrity could have a crush on our viewers. I know you all are amazing, so that is also true. Someone is crushing on you, friends, but be careful. I think it's about your beauty also, you know. She is important. She like, feminine issues. You'll feel very very feminine, very seductive, all those things this week. And he she and he so some of you, if you are young, you could be dealing with sexual issues like, um, gender issues, rather, whether you are a she or a he, no judgment, friends. We respect everyone. In fact, it's only natural. That's how God has made us all, or nature. Let not even bring God here. Nature has made you. Some of you may be trying to understand or explore your genders, your sexuality, and it's a good thing, because if you are doing it for, understanding yourself, great, clarity will happen there. But some of you are attracting a lot of people. Like your seductiveness, people find you very attractive this week. I can't wait. I don't know. Teen? Yeah, teen. See? Some of you could be having a teenage romance or a crush, or you could be watching some movies which you used to watch when you were a teenager. I don't know what else. 10 could be important for some of you, number 10. And there is, I don't know what else can you make. You tell me. I leave them here. You let me know the words you can make out of it. There is also L. S, H, E, L, G, T, and N. There is iron, so you are busy working out your plans for the future, working for your career, your business, and the heart. This is the health chart. I think yes, it is important to relax this week. Otherwise, you can get very busy. You may not even realize it, that, oh, wedding ring, someone wants to marry you. Some of you could also be dealing with a toxic marriage or a toxic relationship, and you want to move out, or you are trying to move out. You will find some relief there. Yes, I did got that message, but I forgot in the beginning of the reading. I did got that message. 10, number 10, number 17, number 28 is important for you, friends. Yes, and look at this, the growth charm is stuck in past life. Yes, past life issues are resolving for you. Your business, your money, your life is growing, so stay sure, stay positive, keep manifesting. Home, some of you are manifesting a new home, some of you are manifesting a family, a marriage, or a business. Yes, you are on the right path. Oh my god, I dropped. Thankfully it is right here. Teapot, yes, things are brewing. What you are manifesting is working, so keep at it. What else? This is the Wheel of Fortune. Again, it is stuck in something. Let's see. The Six of Wands. Six of Wands is success and dolphin. Stay happy, and because success is very near you, stay happy. The wedding ring, proposals, marriage. Some of you could be feeling stuck with a sexual attraction or with a toxic connection, but you are moving ahead. Don't worry if that's the case. Wheel of Fortune is there. The moon, your emotions are very high this week, and you have the owl, so stay clear, friends. A lot of information is coming your way. Guitar, yes, some of you could be dating a musician, a rock artist. Some of you could be having a crush on a musician or a media personality, someone who works in the public eye. Also, you could be learning some music or some arts. This is fated. Look at the angel heart. A fated connection is coming your way. This could start as, if you are single, this could be a new connection which will start as a crush or some sexual attraction, infatuation, but it will quickly turn into a very strong relationship. And you see this heart, it is the heart cookie actually. It has something written here. It has this beautiful calligraphy also, patterns made on it. Someone is very fond of you, friends, very fond of you. Ganesha, prosperity is coming. You also have the weed. Yeah, someone is intoxicated over you, or you are intoxicating about a situation. Friends, secret lover, see the diary, the heart-shaped diary. Someone is writing songs about you. Someone is writing poetries on you, friends. You could also be doing so. July is important for you. Knight of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. Two of Wands. Yes, this is a very powerful and mature week for you. Five of Air, someone who has hurt you. Prince of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag person is important. Queen of Wands, you are very powerful, friends. You are very powerful this week. December is important. Yes, someone could be born in December. 10 of Years, yeah, something has ended, but you are completely transforming your life this week. You are moving out of it. 6 of Coins, success at work. The King of Wands, the Queen of Wands, the King of Wands. Definitely a relationship is important for you. January, maybe that person is born in January, or you are, or they are born in December or July or August. 10 of Wands, a painful ending, friends. There has been a painful ending, but 6 of Wands, both I see success at work and money coming your way. Dolphin, stay positive. Karmic, yes, there is something which is karmic, this attraction, this toxicity. You need to learn something from that situation, so don't see it in a negative light only. King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. Neptune, yes, a lot of things will clear to you, become clear to you this week. So stay positive and stay clear and breathe. And that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share. Let me know if this resonated. This is Mystic C saying bye. For those who chose option 3, this beautiful train card, let's see how this week, what's coming next for you, friends. This is a charms reading. This is your advice. I'll be pulling the charms just shortly. This is your extra cards. Let's see your cards. Queen of Wands, very nice. Ooh, the king and the queen, king of swords, the star, wishes coming true. Oh my god, the king of wands. Ooh, the death. This is interesting. The 7 of Swords and the 5 of Wands. Friends, this week people are very important to you. A lot of people are very, very important to you. This is week of people-oriented week for you. All sorts of connections, relationships are important for you. I do see that there will be some sort, because Mercury will be going retrograde very shortly after this week. So it may affect you a little. I do see that, this is the week you are moving out of tough situations. Yes, this is the week you are gaining your power. You are saying bye-bye to anyone who brings you, conflict. There are people who are bringing you conflict or pain or drama. You are saying bye-bye. I no longer want drama in my life. If I want drama, I'll see a movie. I don't want it in my real life, right? So that is the energy this week for you. You are claiming your power. I don't know if I can't pick the cards. You are claiming your power, friends. See? You are very powerful this week, and you will be you're very possessive about whom you share your time, about how people are talking, or about how they are behaving with you. You're very much in power, in control, and I do see that you will be, your main focus is pile number 3. Your main focus is on work, on creativity, on learning something new, or building, or you are already working on something. You want to work on it, but people are going to come into your week this week, and they are going to disturb you a little. So you will be like, oh, why are you disturbing me? Like, you are a student, you are studying, but your mom or your father or your siblings, brothers and sisters keep coming and like, oh, let's do this, let's do that. So you are like, why? I want to work, I want some peace. So So, that is, some of you may also be in a conflict with your family, or with, if you are married, there is a third party affecting your love life. But it is going to resolve, friends. It is going to resolve your hopes. Relief is coming. Your wish is coming true. Hope and wishes coming true. Relief coming in your love life. End of conflict. End of doubts, end of drama in your life. Yes, some peace, some happy nights, peaceful days and happy nights are coming for you. But I see pile number 3, your main focus will still be on work, on leading, taking charge of your life. You don't want anyone else to lead your life. I see, if you are a student, your parents or someone, your father or someone in the family is trying to dominate you, you won't like it. Whether you, no matter what your age, if someone is trying to dominate you, pile number 3, you are like, nope, we are all a train and I'm the engine. I don't listen to the, carriages. You listen to me because I'm the engine. I take this train ahead. So you are very, very dominating, very powerful, very strong. You could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sag person this week, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. You could also be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. I do feel there is, in your love life, if there might be some trust issues coming up. Either your partner may feel like they can't trust you, or you are too there might be some, it's not like you're too attractive or something. It's like they have some trust issues, or you will have some trust issues about your partner or your husband or wife. Or if you are a mother, you may feel your children, can you trust them? What are they doing? Are they behaving sneakily? So you are keeping your third eye open this week, friends. But I do feel people around you are trustworthy. They are stable and you can trust them. Although they are very strong, people around you are dominating as well. They are strong people. So some drama will happen. I do see, if you in love, you could be dealing with two people. Like there is a third party for some of you. For others, there is a choice between a new lover and someone from your past coming. Both are very strong people, so stay careful. You are also very strong. These two people are also very strong. I also feel, friends, someone is watching you, especially in your love life. This twin flame is watching you, keeping an eye on you. This person is like wanting to talk to you. This could be, this person is married, they are twin flame. They were married once to you, but they left you. They want to come back. You will be getting dreams about this person, or they are dreaming about you. There's a lot of someone want to come back to you, win you back again, someone who has ended things. This person is trying to keep an eye on you, but this person is scared that you don't want them, or you are with someone else. Let's see what else. If you are a student, friends, watch out for competition. Trust me, watch out for competition. There will be competition. Why? Because you are succeeding, you are leading, you are very successful. People want to pull you down because you are successful. People, maybe even at work, your bosses and others may try to create problems for you because you are doing extremely good. People are shocked by your success. Loyal heart, number 35. Yes, friends, trust issues will happen this week, or someone will prove their loyalty to you, or they want to show that they have a loyal heart towards you. You will also check whether people around you are trustworthy or not. And Yang, oh my God, yes, someone wants to take an action and move towards you, friends, in love. This is someone, your twin flame. This person could be married, or you, our viewers, are married, or in a connection, or they are in another connection. This person wants to make a move towards you. They want to grab you and like just run away with you. Oh my God. I keep getting a song also. That song is about running away, let's run away. It's that Enrique song. It's the hero song. It's a very popular song, Hero, will you Will you run if I asked you to run? Will you die if I asked you to die? You know that song. This person is head over heels in love with you. They want to take a move, a very strong move towards you, and show their passion and show their love and prove their loyalty towards you. Wow. Let's see what else is there. I also feel the main thing you need to keep in mind is some drama, because everyone is behaving very fixed or very, you are very in a leadership role this week, and so are other people. So someone has to take a step back, otherwise, arguments may happen. Rest your creativity will be super high, friends. I see you making art, I see you making music, connecting with creative people, connecting with people who share your hobbies, who will expand your career. It's a great week for you, work and creatively, but competition is there. That's the only thing you need to advise. Soulmate connection, new romance with a spiritual basis is here for you, friends. Yes, yes, yes. There is a destined connection coming towards you. You are very, very close to achieving it, because something is ending in your life. If you are single, that's going to shift soon. It will end. If you have moved out of a relationship, good, because a new connection, a loyal heart is coming. It may not happen this week, but it will happen surely in the next week, because this is already in the energy. It has started energetically. Time to move on. It is time to let go of the old so the new can come in. Definitely, if you are confused whether to accept an old person or not, I would suggest go for the new person. Some of you, the old person wants to come back. The past will knock on your gate, but I see you shutting the door on their face. Let's see your charms, because you don't want the past person. You are like, nope. But they will fight for you. The past will come back and want to win you. Why? Because they see you very successful here. Pile number 3. What will happen for pile number 3 this week? Let's see. Okay. Wow, look at this. The butterfly charm is inside the boot. Can you see that? This golden butterfly. Oh my God. Changes, destined changes, positive changes. Number 6 is on the dice. Oh my God. Someone wants to kiss you. Someone wants to express their love to you. Someone new is coming. Some proposals. Friends, toes are here. So I would say be careful with your toes and feet, because toes is here. So maybe, just stay careful when you are walking. Also, I see you spending more, you might meet this new person through walking in a park or going out while shopping for shoes or something. You might meet them there. Also, the energy of votes. Yes, someone want to, someone want to win you back, but you don't like this person from the past. You want a brand new start. You don't want past people. So I don't know if you can make any names. So the alphabet are OTVES. Number is 6 here on the dice. 6 could be the month, or 6 could be the birth date for some of you. Number 20 is important. Number 10 is here also. You have this kiss charm, so yes, something will happen that will make you feel happy. You're also very lucky because you have the star and the lucky boot. Health chart, yes, take care of your feet, especially your legs, your ligaments and all those things. Stay careful because you have that leg. Or maybe some of you are dealing with health issues or with your parents this week or with your grandparents. Butterfly, positive changes, new things coming in. This is about the golden leaf. Yes, someone will share, someone is the right match for you. This king and a queen. You are going to meet them. A secret admirer, secret love, yes. I do see someone is watching you, your social media, and they want you back. They want to fight with you. They may have already messaged you, but you don't like that person. I see that you will fight them away. Like go. And The yellow car, this is about staying positive. This is about you leading, taking charge. And what else? The fish, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person will be important to you. Again, there is this starfish, so wishes coming true. The stars energy, yes, your wishes are coming true. Water, drink some water. And also, friends, stay your emotions. You will feel very bold and passionate, so you don't want to be too emotional, but emotions are there in this week. You have a new soulmate also. Money, yes, money is coming your way. Past life, yes, some things ended in your life which were from the past life or which were karmic in nature. Saturn is here. You have learned some tough lessons, but you have learned them well. They won't repeat. Seven of Cups. Decisions are coming this week. Cows. This is about nurturing yourself, taking pride in what you have achieved and how far you have come. The King of Air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. The King of Air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. August is important. Yes, friends, October is important. So, August may have ended something, and October will give you a new start. Three of Wands, forward progress. Yes, yes, yes. I have never seen a reading so clear, so precise, and absolutely on point. Friends, save this reading. Come back again at the end of this week. I see maybe at the end of 10 days, 10 to 15 days, and oh my god, I see you swimming with a new baby. Yes, friends, subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, friends, like, share, and join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. And this is Mystic C saying bye.